Okay, properties of parallel lines. Here we're going looking at alternate exterior angles theorem. Another thing I've got to prove, which is saying that 1 is equal to 7, right? And that 2 is equal to 8. This one I used to prove by having the kids draw me my two parallel lines, right? Draw my two parallel lines, draw the transversal, say, okay, L and M will never touch. We know that angle 1 is this big wide angle here, and it's got to be the same as angle 2 because I'd have the kids trace and then rotate over and say, hey, it's the same angle. So with my other, and same with all my courses, and I would always hear the students go, oh, theorem, here we go. We got to prove this, don't we, sir? Yes. Okay, so here we're going to use things like vertical angles because we know one thing about vertical angles. 1 and let's call this 4. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4 are congruent. That's just a definition. That's a postulate. And then we know about corresponding angles. You guys see that? 1, 4, and then 4 and 7 are corresponding angles. So here we go. We know that angle 1 is equal to angle 4, or congruent to angle 4, right? Because of what? Vertical angles are what? Congruent. I guess I can use the word congruent, right? And what do you know about angle 4 and 7? Well, angle 4 is congruent to angle what? 7, because we just learned a while ago that corresponding angles, if they're parallel, are congruent. These guys are congruent. So 1 and 5 are congruent here. Whatever this angle is, this angle and this angle are also what? Congruent. Look, vertical, vertical, same. A bunch of things to prove when you see these patterns, right? And this will be then what? Corresponding angles congruent because these guys are parallel. And then again here, right? They both share the what? That 4. Since this is 1 is equal to 4 and 7 is also equal to 4, I can say then that angle 1 is congruent to angle 7 because they're both congruent to angle 4. That's that whole A equals B, B equals C, A must equal to C thing. And that's an angle 4. Ugh, I wrote that real ugly. Let me write that again. Right. It's a definition of congruence. It's got a name. I forgot the name. Because they're both congruent to angle what? 4. So they're congruent to the same guy. That means they got to be equal to each other. And that's it. That's the proof. There's a bunch of other ways to get to it, but that's one of them. Hope this video helps, guys. Easy stuff.